AMC stock analysis and AMC stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Well, unironically speaking, with a 4.5% correction, I mean, GME also went down, so like I'm not even surprised about this. Having done 42,000 videos, this is no news, and this is why I love my approach, because the only thing that I was going to do is buy if there was a confirmation, and I was now saying this very clearly. Now, yes, sure, this is a good demand zone, like even lower as well. So for me, there's like really no sweat. That swing can definitely wait. So what I'm saying is, in this demand zone, obviously I'm not going to just immediately buy. The rules must be met first. And if that doesn't quite happen, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. You know, that's really all there is to it with AMC, I mean, specifically from now. So that's how this is looking like. If you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K from one trading, then I guess click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.